3 distros, 3 different philosophies. Nobara, Bazzite, or Pop! OS. Which one should you actually use for gaming? Hit subscribe and let's settle this. Nobara is a Fedora-based distro built for gaming and content creation with manual tweaks and deep customization. Bazzite is also Fedora-based but immutable, everything's pre-configured for gaming out of the box with atomic updates. Pop! OS is Ubuntu LTS-based with NVIDIA-focused stable, familiar, but currently stuck on older packages while they rebuild their desktop. Here's what actually separates them. System philosophy. Nobara is traditional and fully customizable. You can break things, but you can also configure anything. Bazzite is immutable with a locked core system and atomic rollback, safer but less flexible. Pop! OS sits in the middle, stable Ubuntu base, but you still have full system access. Hardware and driver support. This is where it matters. Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS from 2022 with kernel 6.12 decent, but you're dealing with 3-year-old packages. New GPUs or peripherals need manual setup. Nobara ships with the latest Fedora kernel, Mesa drivers, and even custom Proton builds. Hardware support is aggressive and current. Bazzite goes further with weekly updates, pre-installed NVIDIA proprietary drivers, and device-specific images for handhelds like ROG Ally and Legion Go. Gaming setup. Pop! OS requires you to install Steam, configure Proton, and set up game mode manually. It works, but you're doing the legwork. Nobara includes Steam, Lutris, Proton Up Qt, custom kernels, and Xbox controller firmware updates pre-installed. Bazzite takes it to another level with Steam Gaming Mode, Waydroid for Android games, and controller support out of the box, 0 configuration needed. Update strategy and stability. Pop! OS gives you 5-year LTS support, but with old packages they skip 22.1, 23.04, and 23.1 to focus on their new Cosmic desktop. If you need cutting-edge drivers, you're waiting years or adding PPAs. Nobara updates frequently with the latest Fedora packages. You get performance, but occasional instability. Bazzite balances both weekly cutting-edge updates with atomic rollback, meaning if an update breaks something, you boot into the previous version instantly. Desktop experience and flexibility. Pop! OS has a polished GNOME-based desktop with tiling support, great for general computing, coding, and productivity. Nobara offers both KDE and GNOME with full customization and is excellent for content creation beyond gaming. Bazzite defaults to KDE or GNOME but uses Flatpaks and containers for software. If you need niche developer tools or traditional package management, it's more restrictive. Bottom line, if you want stability and a beginner-friendly desktop with NVIDIA support, choose Pop! OS. If you want maximum customization and cutting-edge performance for gaming and content creation, go with Nobara. But if you want zero setup gaming with the latest drivers and handheld support, Bazzite is the clear winner. That's Nobara versus Bazzite versus Pop! OS. Which one are you using? Drop your choice in the comments, links to all 3 in the description, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.